All right, here we are with our firearm. We've got the cylinder fully taken out. And we're just going to take our break free, and we're going to kind of repeat the steps we did with the cylinder. And we're going to hit some of these inside areas here. And there we go. Like before, don't be too worried about how much you're using. We're going to spray it in here and kind of give it a good wipe. And I personally like to use this, with my hands. I know some people prefer to use, gloves when they're using this stuff. I just kind of use my fingers, and I just get this stuff all wiped down everywhere. Get on here on the inside, the action, the front of the barrel, on the flat top of the sight here. I'll even wipe down the front blade to the sight and the hammer. Kind of make sure, and then I just kind of give the firearm itself an overall glancing, and I'll make sure that I see shiny everywhere. And I get right here on the bottom strap and the inside strap here, even on the back strap here in the palm swell. Take a look, and that's looking pretty good. And so what we're going to do now is we're just going to let all these pieces sit about 25 minutes. And if you have a little bit extra time, even think about or consider maybe 30 minutes, an hour, even up to a full day. It's even recommended sometimes if you know that your firearm's extra dirty, you need to do a little bit extra TLC, which this one really needs. We're going to let this one sit a little bit extra longer.